Hello, today I was watching a video on TikTok from Gary Vaynerchuk, which massively resonated. So he was basically being asked on an audience, hey, should I make the content which I want to make? And he was saying, yes, absolutely. And even if the people would not watch it, yes, because you don't know. You don't know yet. And this is something where persistence and consistency and also patience comes into place. He also has another video where he's saying like patience is something that people forget to learn or take away from him when he is saying something what they should do. Because many times people just do what he did and then they expect everything to fall into place and work within seconds. And that's complete nonsense. And I have this experience as well that some of my videos, which I put out, either they resonated with people, but I just hear that later, or they've been viewed by people days, weeks, months after I uploaded them, and then suddenly a lot of views come in. I have this right now. I mean, I made the iMac unboxing, I think 12 days ago, and right now it's the most viewed video on my channel, which is weird because nothing changed. And I would say that the iMac topic in general is not that recent, actual, most important or most new topic right now. And the same thing happened 3 days ago, where suddenly I had a lot of views on my Bosch FC60 video, which I made 3 months ago, where a lot of people were watching the video on my review on this power tool. So whatever you want to do and you want to put it out there, you never know. I mean, there's so much music in this world where at the point when it came out, no one was really listening to it. I mean, and then it becomes a meme later on. Or even take great artists. Take Van Gogh, take other musicians, take other painters, where they became famous long time after they passed away. Because they were either ahead of their time or being just not out there at the right time, at the right place. And this is the nice part about YouTube for us creators nowadays. You make the content you want to make. Either it's because you like the output or you enjoy the process, or you realize for yourself that the process is necessary for your future outcomes you are longing for. That could be like constantly recording yourself while you're talking. It can be constantly editing small tweaks and twerks to your videos, even if they do not add it to the message, but you just want to get practice on it. And here I realize for myself that this sometimes leads to misunderstanding. I would love to put more editing in my videos, but I want to do it in the way that I can consistently do that. And not just being like in one video, I put some editing and the next 10 without. Because at the end, and this is a reference to eMust Visited or Revisited, the part here is that if you get used to a certain type of videos, and that might be happen in the future that some people will drop off this channel, not subscribe anymore because they're used to my talking head sitting at home videos or my talking head walking around videos, and now there's suddenly some fancy editing in it. I do understand, and I have the full respect if you move on to someone else. But if you like the way I do my videos now, or you like the videos how I make them in the future, I'm happy if you subscribe to the channel, and I'm more happy if you also comment on them to give me feedback so I can also maybe tweak and twerk something in a direction which is still me and still what I want to do, but also on the other hand makes the video more enjoyable to you. Because at the end, I'm doing it for me and for you. So if you like this kind of content, that's great. If you do not, and you click away from this here, that's fine for me too. Because I do want to talk about those things. I do want to talk about the importance of do what you like, and just if someone else loves it, likes it too, That's great. Find your audience. This is the same if you make music. It's especially if you make music, if you're singing. So many people of us are singing in under the shower or in their apartment. And sometimes I'm singing too, and you should be happy that you don't have to hear that. True, this is a fact. But for many other people out there, just bring yourself out there and do what you like to do. And maybe someone else joins you in the place and says like, wow, that's great, that's great content. And from my experience, I had it so many times. I had videos out there where I had a lot of fun making them. And after weeks, there's a comment or there's a Twitter post where someone says, whoa, yeah, that resonates with me. That made me laugh. Even if it would be just the gas video which I made, the gear acquisition syndrome video, where Afan was saying like, whoa, that made me laugh. That's a great one. And there may be other videos where people would say like, I don't understand why you make that video. I don't understand the content. I don't understand your idea. And still, there might be an exchange later. Or I gain a new perspective. And I'm happy for the comments. As long as they are all respectful. And so far, luckily, they have been. Even if someone is saying that I'm an Apple fanboy, probably I am. And I am for my reasons, and I'm okay with it. But on the other hand, I also sell or give back devices where I realize this solution from Apple is not mine, like the iPad 12.9, not my device. Or on the other hand, the iMac. Do I make a video about it? Yes. Do I talk about it? Yes. Do I want to add some good parts which I loved about the devices? Yes, I will include that too. So for the moment, these are my videos I want to make. And that's why you receive the videos I want to make. There will be videos about some small things which I really enjoy, like sunsets watched from my apartment, because I'm in the 22nd floor and I can tell you every once in a while there's some massive, massive sunsets, and I really enjoy to make videos on this. I also like this big city feeling. If you see down on the street at night, I like the light. I like all these small movements you can see from here. And sometimes, and I want to make a video on this at one day, but I didn't have the chance yet to hit the record button right on time, if some clouds are climbing over the hill of the Uetliberg right in front of my house, which looks amazing, amazing. So I leave you with this little insights on should you put yourself out there? And yes, you should. I'm not just copying Gary Vaynerchuk here, but I'm completely agreeing with him. Because if you just do it and you do what you want to do, it doesn't guarantee you success, but it guarantees and supports a little more of your own happiness instead of doing every day what you do not like. I hope that helped. Leave a like if you enjoyed this one. Subscribe if you want to see more of this, and have a great evening.